Black people are always late.
You are graduates. Yes! Congratulations.
To the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go to underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chuck a look around, find one to see my type. Now my dog and he knows what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet this girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo.
And I got big bread, I'm been big-headed and I like good head. I'm not cheap, baby, I'm sure not.
Hey guys, so I'm currently in St. Vincent because I could not get a straight flight from Miami to Grenada because it's Carnival, so all the flights were booked, so I had to get a connecting flight, well, technically. So I got a flight from Miami to St. Vincent, and then I'm gonna go from St. Vincent to Grenada. So I just got here. It's now almost 4, well a little after 3, but my flight is not until 7. It's not until 7:30 per Ruta. One of my bags are 52 pounds, so I need to take something out, but I don't have anywhere to put it. All my other bags are full as well. So good.
Gate number 3. Once again, keeping the following passengers traveling on Air Canada's flight 1239 George, Alan, Kate,
This is 50 cents. This little thing is 50 cents. The Funyuns be like 2 for $1 too.
Finally, our plane is here. It's now 9:35. That's crazy. I am so sleepy. Thank God. That's my new friend. Excuse me. So I made friends while we waited 7, 8. Well, it was before 7 actually. So I met them at around 3.
Is that? Yeah, we don't have to put.
Please discontinue the use of all electrical devices.
Thank you. Finally, we're home. And it's raining. Okay, let's hurry up and get inside. Hello. Good night. Thank you. All right. Yeah. Whoa. Okay. You have a pen? Finish? What he saying? You got it? Hey everyone. So it's the next day. As we can see, today I have a graduation to attend. So I'm about to get ready. I'm about to do my hair. No makeup because at my big age, I don't know how to do makeup. I'm ashamed to say. So I'm gonna use some mascara so my lashes could pop because I do not have any lashes on either. The graduation is at 2 and it's now 1 something, but it's raining outside. Black people are always late, so I should be fine. I'll be there a little after 2. This is something I need to work on. I need to work on being early. I'm gonna finish getting ready. I just need to. So I cut the bangs on my hair. I'm not sure what's going on with them, but I'm gonna curl them just to the side and then do just like a split bang, and then with my hair straight because I don't have time to curl it. So I was super tired last night. I slept and I woke up this morning and now I'm getting ready to go. So tonight I'm gonna sleep really good. Okay, I'm doing it, but I know you can't see. Yeah, just a little mascara. Side or front? Side, definitely side. Look at my necklace. It's gorgeous, right? Yeah. Lotion of the day, Sol de Janeiro. I forgot the name, but the pink one. It smells like Baccarat, so I really like it. And I'm gonna use my Burberry Her today, the new one. I actually went to the UK with it, but I did not use it because I had so many of the minis. I think this will go great with it because this one smells like Baccarat and Burberry Her also smells like Baccarat, so should be a good combination. The little spray, 68, Sol de Janeiro. This is the mini. When I'm traveling, I travel with the small, the mini. The big one is for home.
You know
reason that you always hit me up. You like the way I feel 'cause I get buff.
Ooh, almost broke it. My light went out. I have no idea what's going on. I'm about to leave, so I'll pick you guys back up when I get there. Bye bye. See, well, some people don't say bye bye, so see you later.
We now call on Minister of Education, Minister David Andrew, to continue with the handover of the diploma cover.
Franklin. Shanika Williams. Fleming. Maya Gabriel. John T. Pierre.
I invite the graduates to stand. All graduates, please stand. Turn it to the left. And officially, you are graduates. Congratulations. Graduating class of 2025. Go forth with positivity and optimism. Congratulations, we are proud of all of you. Thank you.